Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So do you ever hear when you'll see it online or in Facebook groups or different things where folks are talking about how highly paid or how much profit they're making on a given job or on a certain account that they clean? I always kind of get a little bit cautious when I hear that because on the face of it, it sounds like a great thing. You'll hear them say, "Oh no, I'm really worth this. I'm a premium provider. This is what I require that I get paid. And if folks don't want to do it, the heck with them. I'll find someone who really does appreciate the level of service I give." So I get that part. But if you think about it, sometimes you begin to believe that they may have, however many jobs they have, and all of them are extremely highly paid as far as profit. And the thing that concerns me about that a little bit is this: when Tony and I were building our company, we were doing a long time. We found that for us at least, the best strategy was not to be the lowest, not to be the highest, but of all the bids, in the competitive bids that were being considered, we were kind of on the higher end of the competitive bids. We felt that that provided us not only good profit and good money to make sure we had to, have enough hours to take care of the customer really well, but also kind of insulated us from being, losing the account. For example, there are some good cleaning companies out there, and there's always going to be bidding, whether it's going out to bid, maybe it's an annual review. And when the bids come in, the proposals come in, for example, and some of those companies are really good cleaning companies, legitimate. And your pricing is way out of line compared to even these companies, which are premium companies, a little bit higher, but nowhere near what you are. That just maybe creates a little bit of difference that you don't need. That little bit extra profit may sound great, but you could have kept them if you would have been a little bit more reasonable about where you were on the pricing, because what we were trying to do is to build a large company with, brick after brick after brick, account, so that we really ended up with something when we look back. And it helped to keep us more stable when we did it that approach. So something to think about. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.